Bucket clean, boy!
Alright guys, it's about 7 a.m. in Vegas right now, and I wanted to do a quick intro for this video. It is a little all over the place. I was home for 2 days before I left for Vegas again because we just got back. Just wanted to hop on here and make a quick intro. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It might be a little short because I did not get to film a ton of stuff on my phone while I was here doing everything for Hailie and Chase. So hope you guys enjoy this one. There's a lot of funny stuff in it, and Chase is a goofball, and so is Bucky. And so if you guys would please leave a like on this video. I'm sorry that I wasn't able to get like a solid vlog week for this week, but I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Just picked up the new drone. Nice. And the new Sigma. Let's freaking go, baby.
What's up, pal?
Chase, you gotta tell me, dude, what radio station are we on right now?
Escape. We're talking how funny it is that we got here, and like when certain people get to Vegas, they just expect just lights, and you get here and like at first when you get out of the airport, it just looks like any other town in the entire West Coast. Then once you finally turn, you're like, Vegas! You guys want to see this thing
how
spool
sad
up?
is that?
Yeah,
That's floored. Both
That don't
pedals
sound
to
very
the
good. That
floor.
don't sound very.
Oh,
that
they
did not
just.
sound
we're on
Okay.
Sunset Boulevard right now.
Just wait. Plane powered.
Oh,
by
dude, this guy
natural
wants to race.
gas.
This guy wants to race you.
Oh.
Yeah, we're not
3, 2, 1.
We're gonna wait for it to go green, then spool.
Wow.
Oh, he's racing! Yeah! Yeah, baby, by the Buick! Turn your flashes on. That means you win.
Is that the lingo?
Yeah, no, that's just when you grab someone in street racing, then you turn your flashes on. That
Oh
means
wait,
you win.
how do I do it? Get punked, loser! Gapped! Welcome back to my Friday vlog featuring Chase and Hailie.
My name's Jeff.
Hey guys, so today I want to give you guys all a little motivational speech after we get done ordering, so just wait a second. Okay, we're back after we ordered our water in edamame. But listen guys, when you're in Vegas or you're ever at a casino, those places are massive for a reason. They have a what are you doing?
I'm giving you my full attention.
They have a massive facility in an entire town for a reason. You lose. Last night
Someone's
I turned.
making money, and
I'll just put the Snapchat in right here.
Like your boy, we're up 214 off 66. So I was at $66 and I got it to 214, and I'm like, I'm killing it. And I was like, I got a good strategy. Within 10 minutes, I was at 0. So it's okay. Technically, I only lost $66. And yeah.
We'll be back tonight.
We're back tonight.
Yep. Dude, so we're looking at the menu, and this
Call
menu's,
911.
this menu's actually really, really funny. We got Mega Bucks, Kiss of Fire, I Love My Ass, The Taste Like My Ex-Girlfriend, Something Wrong 69. What else we got? Oh. Who's your dad?
Where's that
your
one?
ex-wife?
Wait.
Oh, this is so funny. Just riding on the side of a truck. What's up, Chase? Second angle? Oh, okay. Sweet. Hey, is that a Nikon? So we picked up Miller. What's up, guys?
Hang on, we're making a right-hander. This thing don't turn right that quick.
You mean, like, we're going left? So we're on the way. We just got the rental car for Hailie and Chase, and they were talking about me going on this thing right here, this little teeter-totter thing. I don't know about that, bud. That's pretty high up. Dude, look at this city though. Got the most beautiful sunset somewhere. It's gone down now. But yeah, we're having an awesome time. Dude, how's it going?
Hey, what's up?
How's it going? Oh, dude, we're going to the back. For sure, we got the luxury limo tonight, guys. Oh, LEDs. Oh, we got changing colors. Big fan of WAP. We're a big fan of WAP. I love Ubers in Vegas.
Meet me at the hotel room. Meet me at the hotel room.
Me after I lose $400 freaking in the casino tonight. Meet me at the hotel.
Chase.
Stop. Okay, Miller splits poles every time.
Come on, bud.
Stop. It's bad luck.
Don't trip over that rock.
It's not a rock.
You see what-
Miller,
you
it's a
see-
broken brick.
Did you see what Haley's standing
Oh,
on?
guys, guess what? I'm up $25. I was down $460, but I'm back up. So we're doing good, guys. Vegas is treating me nice, but probably after tonight it won't be.
Bubba's interrupting your.
That was.
Good job. Is this kid driving this thing?
If I get beat,
You might get beat, yeah. You might lose. Oh, okay. Okay.
I still might lose.
Dead friends where we have a mission to get him back. I bring the world militia. That's only a new like Cutty the Bill. I heard the news. I wasn't a sale.
Get it. Don't get demonetized. He's so good. Hey, you might get demonetized by SoundCloud.
Looks like we made the cut, boys. Jeez. MC Production Garage special right there. This guy over here is rocking the mustache. Nice hoodie. What you doing?
Oh, no, you're
Got Mr. Wilkie over here. San Diego. Chase. We just left Method. Now we're at T-Wave.
Romney's pair.
Dude, I don't know where did I find it, but I want that white t-shirt. That one. You film for the Deacons, bro?
Yeah,
You
why?
Deacon filmer?
You recognize my voice?
Yeah, I recognize you. You had the cleanest shots, dude.
Oh, dude, thank
Big
you.
Big fan.
Thank you, man.
What kind of, is that a Metal Militia?
Yeah, this is Meta Militia, actually.
Yeah, nice. You
Escape-
factory?
Yeah,
Actually, Meta Militia?
straight from the General, actually. So, shout out to General.
We've been hanging out all week long.
Oh, this is for the Miller channel.
This is for the Miller channel,
okay,
dude.
let's go. All right.
Let's go. All right, get your hand in the air. Boom, boom, boom.
Let's go. We're out
All
here
right.
at the Mint 400.
This is the Mint 400 right down the street?
Yeah, we got the race going on right now. He's in first place.
He's going really slow. He's ways ahead.
Oh, dude.
He's 3 laps ahead right now. We talking shop over
You're,
there?
24 or 60?
0.5 actually.
Frames per second? This guy, dude.
60.
This guy.
4K 120 actually
All
right now.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Lucky, where you at?
You might be my 300 subscribers. And then I said, this is one of the most competitive classes in off-road, one of the most difficult courses. It's going to be challenging, something like that. You know, like I want to do well.
Behind the scenes.
Okay.
Lucky Films.
Hold on.
Alright guys, like I said, quick little video for you guys this week. Next week is going to be a lot better. I got a lot more time at home next week. So we're going to make some cool videos, especially for Tuesday and Friday. So stay tuned for that. Ready to be home. Been in Vegas for about a week and a half now. So excited to get back and get to running and start on some videos for myself. So I will see you guys in next week's video. If you would like the video and subscribe. We are nearly to 74K. You guys have been killing the videos recently and I really appreciate it, you guys. Thank you for supporting me, and I'll see y'all in the next video.